Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Patty. Today I'm going to be doing a pearl pour, and it's on a canvas. I made sure everything was level. It's a 12 by 16 canvas. Have it taped on the back. I have my hands-free handles on here. Keeps your gloves cleaner. You're able to tilt. Look down below my Amazon shop, click on that, and you'll find these and a lot of the other supplies that I use. Well, so today I'm going to go ahead and use all pigments except for one, and I want to go over the colors real quick. And this Primary Elements Snapdragon, it is, you got to be careful with this, it will take over your pearl pour, so use it very sparsely. The next one is a beautiful gold, Primary Elements Solar Gold. The only acrylic I'm using is Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold by Golden. I'm using this Highlight Gold, and this is from TK Trading Company out of Oakland. It has like a shimmer, it's like a shift color with a gold tint. I'm using Bells of Ireland from Primary Elements. It's weird because it doesn't look like it's that color when you look at it. Really sparkly. So if you want a really nice bright green, check that one out. Okay, this one is, I haven't used this one. This is a little piggy seaweed. All my colors are very thin. Just about as thin as my pearl mix. The last one is Pearl X Antique Silver. I haven't used this before in a pearl pour. So those are my colors that I'm using today. As far as my pearl mix that I have mixed up here, this is a combination of a bunch of recipes that I have. So if you look down below in the description, I have different recipes down there that actually work, but this particular one is just a mixture of all those, so it's hard for me to tell you what it is. Very thin paint. And let's get going. So first I'm going to go ahead and use the soft body Artist Loft. I'm going to go ahead and just squirt that out on the canvas, not watered down or anything. I want to get the edges. I want the pearls to not flow off and just sort of cling to the edge, and that's why we do it. If you watch Tara's Artistry, Grateful Creations, everybody does this if you're going to do a pearl pour. So let's get going. So this is going to be very pastel, so I'm not sure if I want some negative space. Just have to see where it goes. Okay, I'm ready for the colors. So I want to start with this purple. Like I said, I have to really be careful with this. I do have some titanium white that I'm just trying to decide if I want to put that in there or not. Yeah, I'm going to put a little bit. This is Amsterdam titanium white. Just throw that on top. Don't know if that's a mistake. I'll find out. I think that white might have been a mistake. Okay, I have no idea how this is going to turn out. I might ruin it, but you know, that's okay. There's a lot of areas I don't like. So I'm going to go for it. So this is brass alcohol ink, and I put 91% alcohol, or 99% alcohol in this. So I thinned it out, or made it not as dark or strong. And I put it in this container. And I think this is, thinking of the brand. I forgot. Pinata, yes. Pinata brass. I think brass is, if you're going to get something that's really going to sparkle, get this. So I'm going to try something. So I'm going to do the first one right here. I'm just going to put a little tiny dot, and it comes out fast, okay? So, and then I'm going to put 99% alcohol on top of that. See it that good. Can't move it. I'll bring it in for a close-up later. And then I'm going to put a drop of the alcohol right on top of that. Well, 2 drops. Okay, and so it's breaking apart. Super sparkly. I actually put too much of this that I wanted to. So you can keep it round. Well, and I hope you get some dendrites, or you can put the alcohol on top of it, or do whatever you want. Try it with different colors. I just wanted to stick with the gold. So I'm going to do the same thing here on the tip of that, and the tip of this. Make sure you don't drop it to where you don't want it. So I'm going to let that just stay there for a minute. You know, I might just not do the alcohol on top of these and leave them round. So I'm going to go ahead and do that at some of the point areas. Okay, be careful. I just have a feeling it's going to go where I don't want it to go. Because you don't squeeze it, it just falls out all by itself. Okay. See? So if that happens and it's not on the tip of anything, then what I'm going to do is just make it on the tip of something. I'm bringing this out to there. There we go. Okay, I got some really cool, just putting the alcohol, dendrites I guess it's called. So now it's opening up a whole new experiment that I might want to do. In these blah areas that I don't like, I might just go ahead and put alcohol on those and have them do their thing. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, because I like what I've seen here, is the areas that are right here like that. And I don't know if that's probably the titanium white that's just sort of blah right in here, some over here. Because I got that here, I'm going to go ahead and just put a drop. By the way, all of my colors, first I dissolve them in polycrylic. My pigments, I dissolve them first. Then I added a squirt of Liquitex pouring medium and a squirt of GAC 800 and then US Floetrol to a thin consistency, which they're already thin, so I didn't really have to, I didn't add any water at all to any of my pigments or the golden. So none of the colors had water in them. If you're using regular thicker paint, tube paint, then you will have to add water. Okay, that really didn't do much, but let me bring you in for a close-up and I can show you, I think they're called dendrites, don't take my word for it, but I can give you a close-up. It gives it a little bit of interest. It's not, you know, in your face, but you know, before it was just plain, so it did break it up nicely. And I think I want to do just a couple more dots here. So let me do that. Okay, I think I'm done. There's a lot of them. So give me a minute and I will bring you down for a close-up. Okay, I'm going in for a close-up. Look how shiny that brass is. It's going to dry like that too. So cool. I have a lot of experimenting to do with alcohol inks. This is very interesting. There's some dendrites. I think that's what they're called. Got some nice pearls. I definitely needed to get more paint off, so I could have had more over here. I did get some over here. And what else do we have over here? There's some more dendrites there. Corner. So at least it broke up and made it more interesting on the areas that were just sort of plain. So that's just something you can do. Thanks so much for watching. Check out my shop, my social media, all the supplies I use are in my shop. Subscribe, push the notification bell, and I will see you next time. Aloha. Bye-bye.